Eric Spoelstra, Mike Brown, some ringside track.
What is that?
That's what I do during my off time.
Was that this week?
You own a horse?
Yes.
Yeah, you did a lot.
You own that horse?
I just got him. He's 19 5 hands. Look at him.
Yeah.
He was the
Well,
first round. And guess what his name is?
Shaq.
Diesel.
Oh.
Well, I've never seen why the guy has that always need a chiropractor.
Have you ridden a horse before?
This is my second time riding, and
Ain't there a weight limit on horses?
I'm only 350 plus retirement weight. What happened was a little bit after that is I started showing off, and then I opened up the reins, and he took off, so I just hit the eject button. So I wasn't thrown off, but I fell off because I threw myself off. So it kind of counts, but it doesn't count.
That would have been a little more entertaining video.
You're not going to see that footage.
Does it exist? Does the footage
Look at
exist?
him. Hey Diesel, I'm coming home tomorrow, baby.
You do a lot, man.
Hey little baby.
You go to
Hey little baby. Hey, I'm coming home tomorrow, little baby.
What kind of grown man have somebody?
Hey man, I'm retired.
You got a man pulling your horse around.
I don't know how to ride a horse.
Are you serious, man?
I don't know how to ride a horse.
Why did you buy it?
So I can learn how to ride.
You using another horse to learn. You don't just buy it.
First of all, have you ever ridden a horse, cowboy? Well, I have. I don't know all that.
I don't
Go
know
to the
how to
horse
ride
place.
but I want to
teach you how to ride.
You got a dude pulling you on the horse.
Andreas, what's up, baby?
That looks like
Coach Andreas.
that looks like
Dude,
theoretical.
who's pulling your horse?
Listen, man, I'm learning how to ride the horse.
Yo, let me see. He put an ad in the paper. I need somebody who can hold my horse.
Looks like a pretty soft track over there
He
too.
paid a guy $100,000 to do that for him. That's a good job.
When I become
You
an
come to
expert,
your house every day and pull it for you?
when I become an expert rider, okay. Oh. That was a good one. That was a good one.
Okay. Time now. My man get up and, I'm going to work. What you doing today? I'm a pull Shaquille O'Neal around on a horse all day. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Hey.
How much you been paying? $100,000. Let me the kid to do that.
When I learn how to
I do
ride,
it for $100,000.
when I learn how to ride, I'm going to bring my horse right here.
I'm not
When I
pulling
learn how to
it.
ride, the horse going to be right here.
Ernie, I'm not pulling it any price. It's that you can pull it for whatever price you want to pull it. Don't pull me in it.
This is Shaq in the Pool, by the way, and here's our latest installment. Go ahead.